Zoe has drawn a figure, and Max must draw the same one. The catch? She can only use words, no pictures. She tries. A rectangle-ish thing, about this big. Max does his best, slide his drawing over hers, not even close. Loose words don't fix a figure. Zoe needs instructions that cannot be misread. Here's the tool. A construction program is an ordered list of instructions, step by step, for drawing a figure. Follow the same program carefully and you get the same figure, same size, same shape, maybe somewhere else on your page. The program fixes the figure completely, just as the right properties do. Remember, 3 side lengths fix the triangle, center and radius fix the circle. And look, those step lists were already construction programs. You've been running them all along. 3 rules for writing one. 1. Name the points A, B, C, D. 2. Give the steps in order from a first segment to the finished figure. 3. Be precise. Give every measurement the step needs, name the right angles, say which tool, so every step can be done without guessing. The reader should never need to see the figure. Zoe writes, draw segment AB 4 cm. At A, with the set square, our new tool, draw the perpendicular, the line meeting AB at a right angle, right at A. Mark D on it 2 cm from A on one side. At B, perpendicular again, and here Zoe adds the sharp clause, mark C at 2 cm, on the same side of AB as D. Join DC. Now slide Max's drawing over, turn it, match. Words alone drew her exact figure. Now the star program for a rhombus with side 4 and diagonal 6. Step 1. Draw segment AC 6 cm. A diagonal first. Still a first segment, just a diagonal, not a side. Step 2. Compass at 4. Arcs from A and from C on one side of the line. You know why? Every point of an arc sits 4 cm from that arc's center. They cross B, and step 3 is the move you'll love. Same centers, same radius, arcs again on the other side. Remember the triangle's flipped bracket. 2 circles cross twice. Back then, the second crossing was a spare. Here, it's step 3. Both crossings earn their keep. D. Join AB, BC, CD, DA, 4 sides, all 4 cm. A rhombus. A side and a diagonal are enough, as long as the arcs truly cross at 2 points, 1 on each side, and ours do. One more recipe waits in the lesson. 2 neighboring sides and a diagonal fix the parallelogram completely. Try it. Let's remember, a construction program, name the points, give the steps in order, and make each one precise, lengths, right angles, tools. Follow it carefully, and you get the same figure, same size, same shape, anywhere on your page. And your tool chest, ruler, set square, compass. Next time, flat cardboard. That folds into solids.